we're able to explore different technologies, explore different ways to solve problems, because there is rarely only one solution to things, right? When we were working on specifically the mapping and navigation systems for our project, the reference code that we were given, the things we studied of the existing system, we found those to be inefficient ways to do it, or those systems to not give accurate results, or as accurate as we would like them. So that ended up with us exploring it a bit more, exploring other ways to do these things, and we ended up finding other solutions that gave us a better end result.
Initially, take 2 to 3 days and just read as much as you can and understand the project as much as possible before taking any steps. Then discuss with the partner or the mentors, like if this is what they want or if this is how they should actually progress. After having a solid plan, then they should move forward, because we actually had to detour a little bit in between, just because we did not have a solid idea how to attempt the problem.
If you're attempting something that is new, for those, I would always recommend to look for 2 sources of information. One is tutorial based, and the second is research based, because tutorials will only take you so far, and without tutorials, you won't be able to apply the research very well. So both of those, I think, are very important.
Best training that someone can get from this is how to grow a mindset for research, how guided research or self-learning could work outside of academics in general, that nothing is actually tied to marks. It's like you are doing it for yourself, honing skills rather than just for marks, and one day you'll get a job. You have no idea what the job would be. Most people don't have it. This is a platform where they could have a taste of what is required in an R&D job or a research job, or say a research assistant, RA-ship for a faculty, or if they want to go into academics and be a researcher themselves, how or what they should expect, flowing knowledge of engineering research that actually is going on. So how would they tackle the nuances and the readily available new technology that's coming out? So this mindset won't come in any academics. This is something that needs a proper incubation. Yantra in this way actually provides a very good incubation period, so that one can actually grow into this mindset and get accustomed to it, so that they can actually apply it in the future for themselves or for the team they're working with.
I got a lot of confidence after completing eYantra, and I actually started to believe, okay, yeah, this is something that I can do in the future. Like engineering, is something that I can, contribute to and enjoy doing a lot. Internship combined learning and professionalism in a way that you don't get anywhere else, because it was very learning focused, and at the same time it was very project oriented. We had good deadlines, we had deliverables, but at the same time we were able to learn new technologies and we were able to learn new ways of doing things. It's a great mix of a professional environment as well as a learning environment.